What up, what it is, what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Srtfied and I'm back with another video for y'all. Y'all see Cersei sitting in the background. She chilling today. Nothing crazy going on today, but if this is your first time on this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button ASAP. ASAP. Like I said, subscribe. But what we got going on today, I got Mr. Ready RT actually around the corner from me. I'm gonna be finishing up his system. Actually, it was already done, but he wanted to upgrade the subs in his car this time. He had subs when I put in his system in the last video. I'm gonna link the videos in the description below. But he wanted a little more bang in the trunk, so he got a new sub and amp. Unfortunately, we still waiting on the box for the sub, so I'm gonna post another video on that one. But the new amps that he got a new 4-channel amp, and he got a new monoblock amp for his new sub, because that new sub it can handle some power. So as soon as he pulls up, you know, we're gonna get this thing going. So enjoy. King, you want to say something to the video? Huh? You chilling today? You just out here sunbathing? It's my dog King, y'all. That's my little guard dog. Got these dogs over here barking and stuff. He over here just chilling, minding his own business. And like I said, Mr. Ready RT, that thing is pretty. That thing is pretty, y'all. And it's still clean. Even though he ain't washed it since he got his ceramic coat. God dang. Boy, you need to clean that thing. How you, I'm gonna need you to wash your car, sir. I'm gonna need you to wash your car. Look at him. Like I said, he my little guard dog. He ain't guard nothing. He just like licking people, sniffing everybody.
I ain't guarding it. Okay, one, my car didn't look like this. This is the rain that I told you. Okay?
I was about to say, boy, you neglecting that ceramic coat.
This is the rain that I just get. This, I was like, he's talking about washing. Yeah, no, it did not look like this when I left the house. I promise you. I called him, was like, yo, it's raining out here. And y'all can see it. I wouldn't even have cut the light on and cut the lights off. I feel like, no.
All right, so y'all finally seeing the face to the car. That's my dog, Mr. Ready RT. Make sure y'all follow him on IG and YouTube. He got his own channel. You want to shout out your own channel?
Man, you already know Mr. Ready RT, man. YouTube and Instagram. So follow me. Come look at what all we do. I've been plugging this man for everything.
Oh yeah,
so
oh yeah.
I'm gonna be all on his channel. He gonna be all on mine.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. This about to be a duo right here. The dynamic duo, except his joint is sexy. Super sexy. Like, I swear, I'm gonna have to think of some things on my car, cause yeah, she looking good, but this thing looking mean. Man. Oh, I got a little secret coming here in the next month. I'm gonna just point. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not even gonna spoil it right now. But yeah, we about to get this thing popping. Like I said, we about to get this amp installed. Well, both amps installed. So yeah, it's hot, bro. You want some water?
Yes,
must
need. Very much a necessity.
All right, y'all see what he got in here now. It's a Memphis monoblock amp. By the way, to give y'all a quick update, I remember telling y'all about the sound processor, that he needed a new processor. Unfortunately, this one actually did work. So the static problem that I was getting is this box, this processor can only take the highs, not the highs, the inputs from the front dash speaker and the front door speaker to give it a full range signal. What I did was I pretty much hooked up the rear and the front speakers to this, and it was just giving too much static. I mean, it's labeled for rear and front, so that's what I did. And yeah, unfortunately, it gave way too much static in the box itself. So I had to rewire it. Actually, not rewire it necessarily, but change the inputs, since everything was already pre-wired from the Metro harness that he had. I just had to use the dash and door speakers to give it a full signal. Put the dash speakers into the front inputs and the door speaker into the rear inputs, and that cleaned up the static noise that I was getting. Unfortunately, due to that, he lost the fading capabilities, which I've read on a lot of forums that most 4-channel input processors, you're more than likely going to lose that fading capability. On some other sound processors, you won't. Like mine, I have the Audison Bit 10D sound processor, and I did not lose the fading capability, and I have it set up just as this one with the dash and front door speakers as the inputs. So this one unfortunately lost the fading capability, but nonetheless it sounds pretty good. So we about to change out this monoblock amp, and we're going to change out his 4-channel as well, which is right here. And this is the RX 400, I believe. If it's not the right one, I'll make sure to post it in the video, but I do believe this is the RXD 400. And just so y'all see which sub he's going with, yeah, this thing is a beast. The Orion HCCA 12-inch, this sub is a monster, y'all. So he's definitely gonna have to have the power to drive it, and eventually we're gonna upgrade his power supply as well with extra batteries, doing the big 3 upgrade, and a high output alternator. So let's get this thing started, y'all. So y'all can see the new amps are installed. Don't mind these little plastic pieces. He got a little remote that he's trying to wire in for this beast of an amp right here. So the new amp is in, HD 600x4. The wiring is gonna get cleaned up, and
oh yeah,
he's super happy, yo. Look at this. Look at all this shit. He riding dirty.
We not done yet. He over here trying to put me on blast. Came in, car was dirty.
Man, look. Man, look. So right now we're just gonna go tune the system a little bit. I would show y'all a demo of that, but again,
I got one song that my brother made that I know is not copyrighted. It's on one of my first videos.
Well, we ain't gonna play it right now. Let's tune it first, and then we're gonna give them a quick demo. So, because I don't want this video to get copyrighted.
We need all our money.
Oh yeah,
all
yeah. And I ain't even monetized yet, but yeah, y'all
speaking
know
into existence.
Yeah. All right, so we finally got this thing tuned up, and we got everything hooked up. So as y'all can see, we got everything back here, the new amps. Don't mind the little wiring mess back there. He's gonna tuck everything the way he likes, and the new sub will be installed once the new sub box comes in. So for now, he's just gonna rock those subs, which are the Memphis subs, and we wired in the bass remote. So everything is clean, no wires showing except that little mess back there, but everything is ran underneath the carpet and up the side to the back right there. So that being said, Mr. Ready RT, how you feeling about it?
Bruh, I love it. I love it. Stock system has nothing on what I got in here now. There's no way that anybody that has a stock system can tell me anything about it. I don't care which one you got. I had the Alpine system in there, and it sounded good, but it wasn't high enough for me. And I even said that when I had my 17. That was one of the things that I felt like Dodge took their shortcut on, was the sound system and everything.
Yeah, I definitely agree. What you think about, so we ended up doing the tuning on the sound processor too, before and after, what you think?
Oh yeah, okay, so definitely the processor, it makes everything a lot easier. Like to go in and mess with things. Now, all of the tuning, I let that man do completely everything. I sat and just watched over his shoulder and was like, I ain't touching it. But
I got an ear for that stuff, yeah. So
he gave me a rundown of what I can do, you know, from Simple Mindset, but I ain't gonna lie. It sounds good before, but that tuning of the processor, amazing. Like it does
for sure.
So much more. And then what most people don't know, what he put me up on, because before I go and buy anything, I ask this man everything, is like what you're really pushing. A lot of people think, oh, I'm pushing this much wattage, but if you ain't got the right RMS, you're not gonna do what you wanted to do. So you can get a system, but you need to make sure that you're talking to somebody that actually got an ear for it to know, because you can get a whole bunch of stuff that's expensive
and it sound like dirt,
sound like
trash.
So,
straight up. That's what's up. That's what's up. So we got the little system thing going for him. So real quick on a recap, because since I wasn't able to do a reaction video when you actually picked up the car, when you got the system first done and when you got the ceramic coat done. How did you feel about all of that?
Okay, one, you can see the ceramic coating from down the way. So when I pulled up, I was like, oh, there she is. And I was like, oh, she shot like something serious. And then the sound system, like I said before, man, I loved it. When the other one from my stock system, it was leaps and bounds different. Way higher in volume, a lot better. There was a little bit of signal, the signal that's what we were talking about. That's why we changed the amps.
So there was a little popping. What he's talking about, there was a popping noise that we were having. Anytime he'll shut the car off, it will literally pop the speakers, and a lot of people will try to argue and say, oh, your gains are set too high. Well, the gains were definitely not set too high. I use a multimeter to set all the gains. Generally, the best way to do it is to use an oscilloscope or to use I think it's an SMD distortion detector. Some amps have a little light that actually gives you a clip monitor to let you know when you're clipping, but the amps that he has, even the ones that he has right now, they don't have that, and I unfortunately do not have an SMD, so I use the calculations to actually set his gains according to the voltage calculation for his actual output on the amp. So it's a little technical. I'm not gonna go into in all the details, but right now it sounds leaps and bounds over what he had in there from factory. Yes. So, but as far as the ceramic coating, I would give y'all a shot, but as y'all can see, the car is there. Hey, look, I'm not even gonna just talk about him. Cersei ain't clean either. You know what I'm saying? Cersei is not clean either. But hey, it's been raining off and on in Jacksonville, so it's been hard to keep these cars clean. So, but yeah. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Just a simple install. Like I said, it was nothing crazy.
Whoa. Let me at least cut it off for one time.
Oh, okay, yeah. Let's get a quick, holy crap, I can't even think right now. A quick demo. And this is gonna be some music that is not going to be copyrighted. So I guess we can give them a little quick demo.
Such a womanizer, but they all say I'm appealing. Nobody little way, but my career has no ceiling. Dirty South my land, homie, got this shit branded on this phone. So a nigga purpose, man, I'm high as fuck. But it's cool cause there's no turbulence. This is just a warning for those of you who ain't heard of it. I'm about to kill the game. Emergency. It's time to close the curtain. For your spot you see me hurt. I pull off in a bourbon. More head than a turf. One thing is for sure, and one thing is for certain. I've been out in that water like a motherfucking surface. I emerge out of the mud. I'm fly just like a scud.
Alright, so y'all heard that. I don't know if the camera can really pick up the clarity and the bass that this car has right now, but the bass will even be, oh man, I cannot wait till that Orion gets put in this car, man. Like, man,
y'all don't know, man.
Look, he got my dream sub that's about to go in his car, and I actually would love to get an Orion for mine, but I'm good with what I got right now. Until that sub blows, or you know, until I'm fiending for more power, then I'll probably upgrade to that Orion. But for now, I'm good with what I got. So, but like I said before, I forgot about the demo. Shout out your info for the people again, real quick.
Mr. Ready RT.
Y'all already know.
Mr._Ready_RT.
Make sure y'all follow that boy on IG and YouTube. I'm telling y'all, his channel, he got some crazy content on his channel too. Stay posted if y'all want to see further upgrades that he got planned for this car, because based on what I know, I'm not gonna spoil it and let y'all know, but based on what we talked about, this car is about to look sick, y'all. This car is about to look crazy sick, especially in these next couple months. So, but that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell so y'all don't miss any exclusive content. And that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, y'all.